What's going on, guys? Devin up here. I'm back with another video, and today I got the Fitbit Versa 2. Alright, let's get it started. Let's get it started. You guys know this is my favorite part of the video. It's the unboxing. Alright, first of all, we gotta unbox it right here. Alright, cool, man. Here we go. Okay, so we got the watch right here, the manual. You take this out, we got an extra strap, so that's pretty cool, just one. This is the charger right here. Let's take this out, and this is what it presents us. I guess this is a holder right here also. Oh no, this is the charger and this is the holder. Okay, and this is nothing. Below it is the product information. That's all for the unboxing. Pretty small box, dope box, not too much in it. So I'm gonna put everything back, and we're gonna keep this going. So let me begin by saying the material here is very soft. It gives you an Apple Watch feel. Just the look and everything, it looks nice. Why I got it in purple? Because I like getting things that's different. I didn't want to get a plain black watch. The watch actually feels nice. It's not heavy. As you guys saw when I first put it on, it just came up. Didn't even realize that. Okay, so it said to start, I have to download the Fitbit app. All right, so let's do that. Okay guys, so as soon as you download the app, this comes up, the Fitbit app, of course. Just go to join Fitbit, tell you what Fitbit you got, and then you just set it up. And then you gotta put your personal information, and I'll get back to you once I get done with it. Okay, so once you put in all your personal information, giving you a tutorial on how to get started. So I guess what we have to do is take this charge point right back out, because I put it away as you guys saw, and begin charging it. So let me do that right now. All right guys, so as I took out the Fitbit charger, there's no outlet for it, so you gotta have your own outlet. So if you don't have an outlet, you have to go out and buy one. Just buy a cheap outlet somewhere, maybe like Rite Aid, CVS for like 10 bucks or something. And I'll give you an example of what it is. I'll be right back. So this is what I mean. You gotta buy your own outlet. You gotta buy one of these. They have these pretty much everywhere, and you know, it's self-explanatory, so I don't have to go in and give you a tutorial on that. But if you don't have one, you just have to use your laptop or use an outlet that has one. I'm gonna use it. All right guys, let's put this on the charger. You have 4 prongs right here. So you just match the 4 prongs up with this, and let's see how it goes. All right, it's charging, so let's continue with the setup. Once you place it on, your device will look for it, and you gotta enter in these codes to continue. 798, you know, it matches. So as you see now, it's actually connecting to the Fitbit right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's currently connecting. Once you match the codes up, and I'll continue on. All right, so now it's connected, and now it's, I guess that's it. Let's put it back on and see. I guess it's loading or something. I'm not really sure. Yep, I guess it's still loading. Unfortunately, whenever I press the button, it keeps crashing my phone. So they need to work on that. And I guess that happens, as you guys see, that happened for the 3rd time, the 4th time. So that's not good. So that happens to you. As you see, it just happened to me. So we're going in this together. We'll just keep going. All right, what's going on guys? So I actually had to call customer service at this point. Pretty much I'm just gonna make it a long story short. I'm gonna show you the part where I actually called. As you guys saw, the watch froze. Called customer service. The lady was very helpful. Well, she had to reboot it a couple of times. She had to internally activate it, and I had to set up several accounts. So honestly, that was just bad on Fitbit's part, and I'm not trying to bash them, but imagine if you bought it or someone else bought it, your grandmother bought it, and you know, they're just going through this stuff, and you know, you're just confused on what's going on, and you return it, and you know, you lose out on a good watch, because it actually is a good watch. For that to happen, I hope it doesn't happen to anybody else. I'm just gonna show this part, so if it does happen to you, what you would have to do, and I just suggest you just call the customer service, and it started working. It took about 3 to 4 hours. I wasn't on the phone for them for that long, but I kind of just gave up, and I checked it within 3 to 4 hours. I just picked it up and it started working. So maybe they was doing something internally, but it didn't sound like it, because when we got off the phone, she wanted to give me a case number and also offer me to just get a new one, which I didn't. So who knows what happened. I'm not gonna complain, it's working. So I'm just gonna be a professional and just continue talking about the watch and just, you know, just get into it. Okay, so the Fitbit 2 actually has a button on the side where you can hold it down and you can request for Alexa And the Fitbit Versa 2 actually has an AMOLED LED screen. It has a green light which detects your heart rate. It's a sensor. You have a hole on the right side for the speaker. Exercise mode. It has different exercises for you, and also it kind of recommends what you want to do. Timer. It has alarms. It has a Spotify app where you can upload your Spotify and use your account with it. It has a relax mode, and it helps you to relax and give you tips on taking a moment to relax. It has a music app. You can upload music. It has a weather app. It has settings. It has Pandora. That's self-explanatory. It's a music streaming app. It also has a Starbucks app where you can put your Starbucks card on here. You can just slide and go. I guess it's related to Apple Pay. And then there's tips, give you tips on what you can do and what extra you can do with the watch, and just keep it moving. The app is pretty useful. It tracks everything, what you did, your walk, your sleep, BPMs, your blood pressure, your heart rate. Also, it gives you fitness advice and programs and guides and stats what you can do to make your day better, your fitness better. All right, guys, this is Devin up here. I know this is a rocky video, but it can happen to anybody, and it happened to me. So if it happens to you, this will be a guide on how to resolve it. My suggestion is just to call customer service. So if you want to just get a replacement watch, there's plenty others out there. And also there's the new Apple Watch coming up if you guys want to do that. New Galaxy Watch 2 is coming up if you guys want that instead. This is my review. This is Devin up. What do you guys think? Are you guys getting this watch? I hope my video did not discourage you from getting a watch, because it actually is a good watch, and it comes with some dope features, and it's actually a cool present for the grandparents, for mom and dad, or just anyone who just into fitness and just wanted to be strictly a fitness watch. They can just damage and work out in. So they can use that for the replacement watch, and for the real watch can be whatever smartwatch they can use. But this is a good buy once you get past all the headaches. If there's any headaches for you, I hope not. I'm out. This is Devin up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.